Okay, so you're investors, so welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we're talking about Zomedica. So ticker symbol is ZOM. So this stock now is sitting at $1.78. So on Friday, it went as low as $1.40. So as you know, this was meant to be a big month for Zomedica with their new product coming out on the market at the end of this month on March the 31st. So yeah, guys, so in this video, we're going to talk about the stock and also what my plans for this stock and also what I believe is going to happen to the stock, and also is this stock still a buy. But yeah, guys, before I get into the video, please smash the like button and also subscribe down below to support the channel and follow the million mile journey. My free Discord is linked down below, so join the free Discord for early buying opportunity. So I tell you when I'm buying and when I'm selling, and also daily briefing and daily quote. And also, guys, use my Webull link, deposit $100 and get 2 free shares worth up to $1,850. So yeah, guys, so like the video, subscribe down below, join the free Discord and use that Webull link. But yeah, guys, so now let's get into this video. So as many of you know, we've been riding this stock for the past couple months now. So we got into this stock nearly 2 months ago at 48 cents, and ever since it's been up huge. So we've seen highs of $2.70, so very close to $3, which was my original long-term price target for this stock. So originally, when we first got into the stock just nearly 2 months ago, I set a short-term price target of $2 and a long-term price target of $3. And if you're on my Discord, then you recall when the stock hit $2.50, I said to start taking profit, because at that point it surpassed our short-term price target. So we start taking profit at the short-term price target, then we leave the rest to the long-term price target. So now we're taking the stock to $3, $4, potentially $5. So that was the plan. But now we're in a bear market and we've got a huge correction in the market. So now I'm gonna tell you what I believe is gonna happen to this stock this month. So firstly, I believe that we might see a recovery in the stock market next week, especially since the recent $1,400 stimulus check, which has been passed. So that's a lot of money that's going to get pumped into the stock market. So we must start seeing a recovery in the stock market, and that's Zomedica included. But I still believe that at least for this month, the market will still remain very volatile and also very unpredictable, and this will affect the price action of Zomedica. So I do believe that Zomedica can still go up huge by the end of this month. However, this depends on if we're still in a bear market or if we see a recovery in the market. So potentially this stock can still reach $3 and even break $4 in anticipation of their product coming out at the end of this month. But yeah, guys, so now I'm going to talk about my exit strategy for this stock. So I believe that Zomedica is going to take a similar trend to SPAC stocks and a similar trend to CCIV, whereby buy the rumor and sell the result, or in this case, buy the news and sell the result. So this stock this year has been up huge in anticipation of their product coming out on the market by the end of the month. So this is because the pet market is booming, with more people during the pandemic adopting pet and also spending a lot more money on pet. So I believe that once the product comes out, we're going to get a huge sell-off in the market. So buy the news and sell the results. So a lot of investors in the stock are not in the stock for the long-term hold. So people are going to start taking profit before the product comes out on the market or when the product comes out on the market, similar to CCIV, whereby when we finally got news of the merger, this stock went down huge. So we saw highs of above 60, then went down to below $30. So guys, here's my plan for what I plan to do with this stock. So now I'm still buying and I'm riding the stock to at least $3. $3 is where I'm going to start taking profit. I'm going to take a majority of my profit and probably sell half my position. Then when it hits $4, this is where I'm going to sell most of my position and sell at least 80 to 90% of my position. Then I'll leave the rest, the remaining 20%, and see how this stock plays out. By doing this, I took out my original investment. Also, I took profit. So all I've got is just a small profit, which is running. So if I was to lose that small profit, then it won't affect my gains, because I've already took out my original investments and I've already took out gains along with it. So yeah, guys, so Now, let's talk about, is Zomedica still a buy? So this stock now is sitting at $1.78. So I believe that anywhere below $2 is still very attractive if you're thinking longer term. If the stock can reach $3, $4, you can potentially still double your investment. But like I said, this depends on if we're still in a bear market or if we see the market start to recover. But I also said that I do believe that the market will start to recover, especially with this new stimulus check, which is $1,400. So that's a lot of money being put into the market. And I believe that next week we can see the stock go back to that $2 plus cost range before then touching dollars, maybe even by the end of next week or the week after. So I believe for at least this month it will still be very volatile in the stock market, and that's why I said to start taking profit when it hits $3. So you don't want to leave it to risk, because it might go to $3 then dip huge again. So start taking profit when it hits $3 and sell at least half a position, then take the rest of $4, unless you plan to take the stock long term, because I believe the company and the product is going to do good long term. So it depends on how patient you're willing to be. So if you plan to take the stock long term for at least the next year, then it could potentially pay off. But short term, I see this stock being very volatile. So people are buying the news and gonna sell the result. So March the 31st, we can see a huge sell-off in this stock. So you wanna get out before this sell-off. So you wanna get out, sell your most of your position and secure profit. Then maybe if you do plan on holding the stock long term, you can even buy back in. But yeah, guys, this is just my opinion. I'm no financial advisor. I'm just a guy on YouTube. But this is just my opinion based on previous trends. So there's this trend this year of buy the rumor, sell the result, or buy the news and sell the results. So people are not holding this stock for the long-term hold. Even though it's a great company, people are not holding it for a long-term hold. People are in it to secure profit, then sell off. And when we get a huge sell-off, the stock falls down huge, and you don't want to be holding a bag when the stock is down huge. You want to at least cash in some profit. Then if you've got stock shares remaining, then take that stock long term. So by then your initial investment is out, and also you took some profit, so all you got is your profit making you more money. But yeah, guys, like I said, this is just my opinion. So if you do plan on starting a position in the stock, then I suggest to start a small position and be ready to add on any dip, because the stock market is still very unpredictable, and it'll still be very volatile for this month. So it could go up huge next week because of the news of the stimulus check. Then a week after we could see a huge sell-off again. So don't go all in if you're not in the stock already. So start a small position and then buy the dips. But yeah, guys, as always, I'm not a financial advisor, so please don't buy or sell a stock because I said to do so. So always do your own research and your own due diligence before investing money into any stock in the stock market. But yeah, guys, don't forget to smash the like button and also subscribe down below to support the channel and follow this million mile journey. And also my free Discord is linked down below, so join that free Discord for early buying opportunity.